This is so exciting.
Hey, what's up? It's Nia. Welcome back to my channel. In honor of spooky season, I'm so excited for Halloween. I wanted to film a Halloween lookbook just to show a bunch of different easy outfits to put together. And I'm joined by my best friend to show some cute partner outfits that we were able to coordinate just using stuff that we pretty much already had in our closets.
Yes, and if you don't know who I am, I'm Kat, her college roommate and best friend previous to that. So
known each other since what, 7th grade?
Yeah, 7th grade. So yeah, we're just here to let put together a few outfits that you can go out in or to a Halloween party, anything you're gonna be doing for Halloween season. So yep, we're excited and I hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah, keep on watching.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go!